Today I'm replacing the stock horn on my 2024 GR Corolla with the Piaa 85115 Superior bass horn. To complete this install, you'll also need a 1-plug to 2-plug wiring harness made for Toyota and a Toyota horn wiring kit. The stock horn is a single trumpet horn. The Piaa horn I'm installing is a dual trumpet horn. To gain access to the stock horn location, you first have to remove the radiator cover. There are 7 push pin clips that hold it in place. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the push pin clips, then remove the cover. You also have to remove the front part of the intake air scoop. Remove the 2 plastic push pin clips, pry up the side connected to the car, then remove the air scoop. You now have full access to the stock horn location. Remove the single bolt that holds the stock horn in place. Once the bolt is removed, unplug the stock horn from the wiring harness. Next, connect the 1 to 2 adapter wire to the stock wiring harness. Using the Toyota horn wiring kit, connect the negative wire to the negative terminal on the horn. Then connect the positive wire to the positive terminal on the horn. Once the wires are connected to the horns, connect the positive wires to the 1 to 2 wiring harness. Using the stock bolt you removed earlier, connect the 2 negative wires to the bolt, thread the bolt through the mounting brackets on both horns, then install the bolt into the stock location. You'll have to angle the horns at about a 45-degree angle to make it fit correctly. The single bolt will hold both horns in place. Hand tighten the bolt at first, then use your socket wrench to finish tightening the bolt. Once the horns are in place, zip tie the wires so they aren't flopping around. With everything secure, you can now reinstall the intake air scoop and the radiator cover.